Why planes don't crash into each other. Commercial aviation coordinates an astonishing number of flights every single day. At first, that number sounds terrifying. Surely the sky must be crowded with aircraft everywhere you look. But the reality is very different. Airspace isn't one giant open space where pilots simply choose where to fly. It's divided into carefully managed routes, flight levels, and controlled sectors that organize traffic long before aircraft ever come close to one another. Imagine two aircraft flying directly toward each other. Without any coordination, this would become a dangerous situation. But before they ever get close, the system steps in. Aircraft remain safe because they are separated in several different ways at the same time. Even if one layer fails, others continue protecting every flight. Here's something surprising. These two aircraft appear to be in exactly the same place, but they're actually flying at completely different altitudes. During cruise, aircraft flying under instrument flight rules are typically separated vertically by 1,000 feet in airspace where reduced vertical separation minimum applies. Pilots and air traffic controllers have different responsibilities, but they work together to keep every flight safe. Every climb, descent, or turn follows a coordinated process. Nothing happens until controllers know the surrounding airspace is clear. Modern aircraft aren't protected by just one system. Multiple independent technologies constantly monitor every flight. Every aircraft is surrounded by an invisible protection zone. As another aircraft gets closer, onboard computers continuously monitor the distance between them. That onboard safety system is called the Traffic Collision Avoidance System, or TCAS. It operates independently of air traffic control, giving pilots an additional layer of protection. If the aircraft continue getting closer, TCAS doesn't just issue a warning. It tells each aircraft exactly what to do to restore safe separation. By the time two aircraft ever come close enough for TCAS to intervene, multiple safety layers have already been working together to prevent that situation from happening. A potential conflict is rarely handled by just one safety system. Flight planning, air traffic control, onboard computers, and pilots all work together long before danger becomes imminent. Aviation safety is built on redundancy. Every layer is designed to support the others, making a single mistake unlikely to become an accident. Throughout every flight, pilots continuously monitor the aircraft while communicating with controllers and onboard systems. Modern aviation doesn't depend on perfect pilots or perfect controllers. It depends on independent systems constantly checking one another. The secret behind safe skies.